Hello, first graders. Let's get started with some math today. Now, you're going to need a new material today. You're going to need some linking cubes, we call them. Okay? You'll need a stick of one color. I'm actually going to get a different color than white because it's kind of hard to see on my board. So, here's what you'll need. You will need 2 colors of linking cubes. I believe you got 4 to take home, but today we only need 2. So I'm going to get orange and blue. Okay, and you will also need your whiteboard, something to write with, something to erase with, and your math workbook. And in your math workbook, boys and girls, today you're going to find this page has fruit on it. It is the lesson 17 problem set, and we're only going to use this page today, okay? So if you can find the lesson 17 problem set with the fruit all over it, please go ahead and find that, or pause me to go grab all your materials, and we will get started in just a moment. All right, if you made it and you have all your materials, we're going to start today with an application problem. An application problem is a fancy word for a story problem, boys and girls. Okay, in my story problem, there might be a missing part, so keep your ears out. Here I go. We have Mika today, and Mika was eating lunch. Okay, Mika had 10 crackers for lunch, but she only ate 7. So our job is to figure out how many did she not eat. Okay. There were 10 crackers that she had at lunch. She ate 7 of them, so how many did that leave? Okay, so let's see here. How about we start with a picture, okay? We always want to listen to our problem first, then we can start to use a picture or number sentence to solve it, okay? All right, so we know that Mika had 10 crackers, but how many did she eat, boys and girls? She ate 7 of them. If we want to get to 10, let's use x's to, let's see, why don't we do it this way? She had 10 crackers, right? And she ate 7 of them. Why don't we circle the ones she ate? She ate 7, so 5 and 2. I see 2 parts now, do you? Ooh, so she ate 7. We don't know how many she left, but she had 10 altogether. Well, how many did she leave? What is our other part? 7 and what make 10? I could use my picture to see. I could use counting on to figure it out. 7 plus, 8, 9, 10. I could use my fingers to figure it out. 7, 8, 9, 10. What is that missing part, boys and girls? It is 3. Nice work. All right, boys and girls, sometimes I'll go through those story problems a little bit quickly because it's a review of a skill that we're practicing. Okay, or sometimes I might give you more of a challenge and try to let you figure it out on your own. Okay, today we kind of did that one together as it reviews our counting on strategy, which means we start with a number and we count on to get to a bigger number. Good work. Go ahead and erase your board. And boys and girls, today our I can statement says, I can make 2 expressions. Ooh, big word. An expression is kind of like a number sentence, and I'll show you how. Equal, and you have to know what this word means, boys and girls. Can you say this word equal? Good, equal. Equal means the same, okay? The same as. When we want to say equal in math, this is the symbol we use. The equal sign. Okay, so our I can statement says, I can make 2 expressions equal. That's fancy. Let me show you how fancy this looks like. Here's an expression, 2 and 3. Ooh, 2 and 3. Ooh, what does that equal? Usually we'd say, oh, 2 and 3 make 5, and we'd write 5 here. But boys and girls, today is about expressions. Expressions is 2 numbers together. So if this equals 5, we want the other side of the equal sign to make 5 too, because equals means the same. If this side makes 5, then this side needs to make 5. Here's another way we can make 5. 4 and 1, right? 4 and 1 also make 5. Wow, do you see how crazy this math looks right now? Don't get too fretted. We are going to practice lots together, okay? That was just a quick example. So, we need to keep in mind an expression is two numbers together, and equal means the same as. We have to know that word equal. All right, first graders, so this is where our cubes come into play. I'm going to make, why don't we use the number 6? So I'm going to make the number 6 with some blue and some orange. Okay, so let's see. If I choose to use 2 orange, I need to get 6. So I could count on to get 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to put them like this, side by side. Actually, I'm going to put them together. Let's put them together. Okay, go ahead and do that with me. Choose 2 of one color and get 4 of the other. And then go ahead and pick up your dry erase marker. All right. And how many orange? Let me turn on my light, see if that helps a little bit. Yeah, that kind of helps. All right, how many orange do we have? We're going to write our expression. We have 2 orange and 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. That's an expression, boys and girls. 2 and 4, or 2 plus 4. Okay, now we're going to put this magic equal sign in the middle. All right, what's another way that we can make this number? This number is 6, right? We have 6 cubes altogether. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Yep, we have 6 altogether. What's another way we can make 6? What if I took, a lot? Or, why don't I take 3 orange this time? How many more do we need? If we have 3, we want to make it equal the same side as this. This side equals 6, right? So this side has to equal 6 too. 3 and what? Let's count down to figure it out. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to break that off. Put them together. Oh, now what expression do we have? How many orange? 3. And how many blue? 3. There we go. So we made 2 expressions. Here's one expression. Here's the second expression. Do they make the same thing? Do you want me to prove to you that they do? Watch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yup. And 3, 4, 5, 6. Yup. They both make 6, so they are equal. Good work. All right, first graders. What about this? Maybe you could figure out a different way to make 6 again. So get a different amount of orange cubes and see if you can make 6. Can you find another expression that makes 6? Ooh, what did you come up with? There are a couple ways you could have done it. Ooh, what if we only got this way? What do you think about this? Could have had 1 orange and 5 blue. 1 and 5, or 5 and 1. When we do expressions, we can still flip-flop. It will be the same. 1 and 5 make 6. Or you could have been super crazy and done this. Ooh, what expression would that be? They're all orange. There are 6 orange and how many blue? Big fat 0. Nice work. Okay, let's see here. Why don't we do one more? I'm going to change my expressions totally. Okay? Will you show me go ahead and write an expression for this set of cubes. Write an expression for this set of cubes. So that means we're going to write the orange number and the blue number. Hopefully you can count those up. I see 3 orange and 1, 2, 3, 4 blue, and you can follow along with your cubes as well. Okay, so 3 and 4, how many cubes is that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, boys and girls, so that's our magic number. We want our other expression to equal 7. Can you come up with one? Can you come up with another expression that equals 7? Go ahead and use your cubes. You should only have 7 cubes at once. Now, here's what I came up with. Check that out. Ooh, might be kind of hard to count my blue cubes because now they're kind of dark. But I have 2 and 5. 2 and 5 make 7. I could count down like this, 5, 6, 7. Yep, that's equal. 7 is the same as 7, right? So 3 and 4 is equal to 2 and 5. Awesome, maybe you came up with something different. Maybe you came up with, oops, not 7. Well, yeah, you could do 7 and 0. Or maybe you came up with 6 and 1. That's the other way to make 7. Okay, all of those are equal. Great work, first graders. All right, go ahead and put your cubes off to the side and go ahead and grab your math book. Okay, take a peek at these number sentences. All right, first graders, we have to really follow the directions here. It says write an expression that matches the groups on each plate. If the plates have the same amount of fruit, write the equal sign between the expressions. So we only write that equal sign if both sides are equal. All right, so let me show you how we might do this. We have some apples and some oranges here. How many apples do you see? They're a little bit dark, but I can see 3 stems from the apples. And how many oranges do we have? 3 and 4. So how many pieces of fruit does that make? 3 and 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to write 7. It helps me when I'm doing these expressions just to keep my mind on, okay, are they equal? All right, we're not going to write that equal sign yet because we don't know if the other side is the same. So now we have 2 apples and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. Is that the same number of fruit as over here? Let's count down. I'm going to start with my bigger number. 5, 6, 7. Are they equal? 7 and 7, is that the same? Sure is, so we're going to put our equal sign. Great work. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2, we have some oranges and some lemons. Will you write the expression that matches the oranges and the lemons? You should have written 4 oranges and 4 lemons. Now, what is 4 and 4? How many pieces of fruit are on that plate altogether? You got it. 8. 8 pieces of fruit. All right, so let's go over to the other side. And oops, my camera's sliding around on me. All right, we'll just go ahead and come on, camera. There we go. All right, let's look at the other side. Go ahead and count up your oranges, count up your lemons, and write your expression. Ooh, I see 6 oranges and 2 lemons. 6 and 2, ooh, let's count on. 6, 7, 8. That's 8 too. 8 and 8, is that equal? Sure is, so we put our equal sign in the middle. I wonder if we're going to have any that aren't equal. All right, number 3. Go ahead and look at your oranges and oranges. Oh my goodness. Well, let's see here. This is interesting. It's all oranges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 oranges. Anything else? Nope. So there's nothing. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 oranges. And nothing. Interesting. So is 9 and 0 is 9, right? And 9 and 0 is 9, right? So are these two sides equal? They sure are. They're both the exact same thing. 9 oranges and 0 of nothing else. All right, last one, boys and girls, number 4. Remember, we're trying to find, is this side of fruit the same as this side of fruit? Let's find out. Let's count our oranges up first. Can you count up your oranges and then write your expression for oranges and then bananas? All right, I see 6 oranges. Did you find 6 oranges? Sweet. And did you see 2 bananas? If you did, go ahead and give yourself a big pat on the back. Bonk, bonk. That's me patting myself on the back. All right, first graders, let's go to the other side. Oranges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. And I see 1, 2, 3 bananas. Uh-oh, we never figured out how many this is total over here. 6 and 2. How many is that? 6, 7, 8. Oh, so it's 8 over here. And 5 and 3. What does that make? Does that also make 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 is also 8. So look, boys and girls, we get to put our equal sign for all of those. Nice work. All right, first graders, this is the only thing you're going to do in your math journal today. The rest of your math activities will be on Seesaw. Okay, you're going to practice some number bonds, ways to make 7, I believe. And then you will do an exit ticket that I made for you on Seesaw. Okay, great job. Remember that equal sign means that both sides are the same. Okay, good luck and let me know if you have any questions. See you soon.